Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 BYD Sealion 8, a brand new 7-seat plug-in hybrid SUV that's making a lot of noise in the market. If you ever end up in a collision with this vehicle or you're planning to work on one, here's exactly what you need to know about the parts that usually get damaged and what they mean for repair costs. The first impact area on most accidents is the front end. On the Sealion 8, the front bumper assembly includes the bumper cover, the reinforcement bar, the crash absorber, and multiple parking sensors. A frontal hit can also affect the grille, radiator support, hood, and even the LED headlight assemblies, which are more expensive than standard halogen units. Because the SUV uses advanced lighting and sensor technology, replacing the full unit is often required if the housing or wiring is damaged. Moving to the sides of the vehicle, the fenders, doors, door hinges, and window frames are common repair points. Since the Sealion 8 is a long 3-row SUV, even a moderate side hit can cause alignment issues, window seal problems, or structural bends in the door shell. Side skirts and wheel arch liners can crack or detach, especially in low-speed impacts or curb hits. If the crash affects the rear, expect possible damage to the taillights, rear bumper cover, sensors, the trunk hatch, and the reinforcement bar beneath it. Because the Sealion uses LED taillights and integrated wiring, repairs tend to be more expensive compared to traditional SUVs. Underneath the vehicle, the suspension is a key area to inspect. The Sealion 8 uses a more advanced suspension setup than older SUVs, so impacts can bend control arms, damage struts, or throw off alignment. Wheel rims, tires, and brake components should also be checked after any strong hit. A collision from the bottom or a hard impact can also affect the battery skid plate or underbody protective panels. Inside the vehicle, seatbelt tensioners, airbags, dashboard trim, sensors, wiring harnesses, and seat mounts must be inspected. With 3 rows of seating, the Sealion 8 has more safety components, and after any major impact, these must be checked to ensure the SUV is still safe to drive. Because this is a plug-in hybrid, it has high-voltage wiring, a traction battery, electric motors, and multiple ECUs. If a crash occurs near the lower side or undercarriage, it's important to check that the battery housing, cooling lines, and high-voltage connectors haven't been affected.